Okay, so I am literally annoyed. Y'all, I have been loading shorts and trying to do many videos. Just go look at my shorts. Just go look at the views on my shorts. This is the stuff that makes certain people that are putting positivity out, not trying to put drama, not trying to make you buy unnecessary stuff, not trying to show you a lifestyle that's not true, not trying to do things that's so superficial and make it seem like they have the most perfect fancy life in the world, and that life is so luxurious and everything is so fancy, and living above my means, right? When you have people that are doing things and they're doing them from the heart, truly trying to share with you ways to help you lessen the stress and the worry of the things that's going on in this world, helping you do certain things, seeing your interests so that they can just make things a little bit better for you as far as financial and all the things that I want to share. I'm not going to make this a short. I'm just going to keep talking because it is so annoying. This is what I literally have prepared myself. I said, okay, I'm going to, in the future soon, share some things. And I don't know when I'm going to put this up, but this has just really been on my heart because it's just really annoying. The views are ridiculous. It's ridiculous. And I'm not saying I get a whole bunch of views, but they're normally in the 400s on my shorts, right? How did a couple days in a row my views really got like 11, 17, 20? Really? Really? I'm so over this. Like, it's so draining. It's not even, I don't even think it's worth it. Like, I'm trying not to give up y'all, and y'all say y'all want me to share, and I am doing my best to do that, but it is so freaking annoying. And for those of you that are out there doing positive stuff and sharing positive stuff, information, and trying to make people's life better, God is watching us. Okay, God is watching us. I don't be on here promoting stuff, having sponsorships, and doing a lot. And some of my people like, hey girl, do it. If you need it, do it, do it. But I just rock with integrity. You get what I'm saying? And I want people to still have respect for me and love for me if social media decides to fall apart. You get what I'm saying? And I'm out there doing the things that I do, living and working in my purpose. I want people to have a respect for me, knowing that I'm genuine all the way around. It is so frustrating trying to give content and put content out there, and things like this is happening. Like, I didn't even load a video today. I'm like, what's the point? And I have videos lined up. I am doing, I've been doing a little bit on TikTok. Even that is annoying. Like, this is just social media thing. It's like, I don't want my life to be consumed with this. And it's starting to be like, yeah, I have been a content creator since 2009. That's how long I've been rocking. This ain't no COVID thing. My positive speaking, my inspirational thing is not something that just came on because everybody became so enlightened and they third eye open during COVID. No, I've been this girl, this woman, this lady ever since then. I have been consistent with who I am, been consistent, genuinely sharing things, right? But it becomes frustrating because I do have a life. I am a parent. I am, doing this walk and this journey on life and trying to figure life out in the way that I must, that is comfortable to me, but also trying to share as much as I can within protection of me. It is so annoying. It's so annoying because that's like I just want y'all to feel this out. You go to work and you love your job, right? But what if every time it's time to get paid or something you look forward to? I look forward to people seeing my content. So that's why I went with the shorts. And shorts were doing okay. You know what I mean? I know within 24 hours, they're going to pick up at least in the 400s, which is not nothing comparing, but it's something to me. You get what I mean? And now, like, for them to drop to like 20 or 12, 14, 17 or whatever, it's like, I don't know what's happening, but it's so annoying. It's so annoying. It's so annoying. It's so annoying. It's so annoying.